Relationships can be beautiful and fulfilling, but they can also be toxic and harmful. In this video, we'll explore the signs of a poisonous relationship and discuss the steps you can take to break free from it. Toxic relationships are characterized by patterns of abuse, control, and manipulation. They can have a devastating impact on our emotional and mental well-being. Discuss common signs of toxic relationships, such as constant criticism and belittling, to erode the victim's self-esteem and make them feel worthless. Controlling behavior, to limit the victim's autonomy and make them dependent on the abuser. Isolation from friends and family, to cut off the victim's support system and make them more vulnerable. Gaslighting, to manipulate the victim's perception of reality and make them doubt their own sanity. Physical, emotional, or verbal abuse, to exert power and control over the victim. Discuss the negative consequences of toxic relationships, including low self-esteem is a pervasive feeling of inadequacy or inferiority. It can manifest in various ways, including self-doubt, self-criticism, and a negative self-image. Anxiety is a common mental health condition characterized by excessive worry, fear, and apprehension. Depression is a mood disorder characterized by persistent sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities. Depression can be a debilitating condition and can increase the risk of suicide. Physical health problems can be both a cause and a consequence of low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. Discuss strategies for breaking free from a toxic relationship, such as seeking support from friends and family. Importance of a strong support system. Explain how having a strong network of friends and family can provide emotional support, encouragement, and practical advice during challenging times. How to reach out. Discuss effective ways to communicate your needs and seek support from loved ones. Building trust and vulnerability. Emphasize the importance of building trust and vulnerability with your support system. Seeking professional help. Benefits of therapy. Explain how therapy can provide a safe and confidential space to process emotions, develop coping strategies, and gain valuable insights into your situation. Types of therapy. Discuss different types of therapy, such as individual therapy, couples therapy, or group therapy, and how they can be beneficial in different circumstances. Finding a qualified therapist. Provide tips on finding a therapist who is qualified and experienced in dealing with issues related to toxic relationships. Creating a safety plan. Importance of safety. Emphasize the importance of creating a safety plan, especially if you are experiencing physical or emotional abuse. Elements of a safety plan. Discuss essential components of a safety plan, such as identifying safe places to go, having a backup plan, and knowing who to contact in case of an emergency. Resources and support. Provide information about resources and support organizations that can help individuals in abusive situations. Establishing boundaries. Importance of boundaries. Explain how setting clear boundaries is crucial for protecting yourself from further harm and maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself. Communicating boundaries. Discuss effective ways to communicate your boundaries to your partner. Enforcing boundaries. Emphasize the importance of enforcing your boundaries. Discuss the process of healing and rebuilding after a toxic relationship, including grieving the loss. Acknowledge and express emotions. Allow yourself to feel the full range of emotions, including sadness, anger, guilt, or confusion. Create a ritual. Develop a personal ritual to honor the lost relationship. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with your emotions, consider seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor. Practicing self-care. Prioritize physical health. Engage in regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness techniques to help reduce stress and anxiety. Hobbies and interests. engage in activities that you enjoy. Building a support network. Reach out to loved ones, spend time with friends and family who can offer support and encouragement. Join support groups. Consider joining a support group for people who have experienced similar losses. Online communities. Explore online forums or communities where you can connect with others who are going through similar experiences. Focusing on personal growth. Set goals. Setting goals can give you a sense of purpose and direction. Focus on goals that are achievable and meaningful to you. Learn new skills. Taking on new challenges can boost your self-esteem and help you feel more empowered. Volunteer. Giving back to your community can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Toxic relationships can be harmful and destructive, but it's possible to break free and create a healthier, happier life. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect and love. You are stronger than you think.